Hey there, and welcome back to 16 years and now kid free. If you're wondering why there is no videos today, it's done nothing but rain and rain, and then rain some more, and then after that some rain, and then some rain, and guess what? It's still raining. Plus I was saying goodbye to somebody I've met along here called Mia. Brilliant lady. She's mothered me ever so much, and taught me a lot about, the ways of, living out on the road, because she does it full time. She's a proper full time out there. Great person. Yeah, so shout out to you, Mia. Cheers for all that you've taught me. Cheers for the chilling and chat while walking around Castleton. It's nice to do that with somebody like-minded, to be honest. But yeah, other than that, I know you're mostly thinking, oh, he's a wimp, he's not going out, hiking and whatnot, but I've got this room, my bag and everything there, and that room back there. So if I come in soaked, everything else is going to get soaked. Yeah, or it's a case of stripping off in the driver's seat, which is, excuse me, one, difficult. That was a nice baguette I had. One, very difficult, and two, if somebody walks past and I'm, starkers in the driver's seat, I think I might, just might, have the police phoned on me, which I don't really want to happen. So yeah, that is the only downside I've found to William. He saved my life and everything else, is the fact of either, sitting cross-legged in the back, or I'm by the driver's seat. By the driver's seat I've got the charger for my phone, I can watch things. I've got a lovely little device that I did say I'll give a review on. If you've got an ancient cassette player like I have in William, £18, this little device, you plug it into the cigarette lighter, it tunes into a radio station, you tune your radio station into that, put your Bluetooth on, connect, you can watch everything, and all the sound comes through the speakers on your car. You can't really argue with that for £18, can you? Really? £18, and for, a deaf person like me that's wearing hearing aids, or hard of hearing, shall I say, that wears hearing aids, that does make a lot of difference. Especially when you can hear it continuously raining on the roof. Drip, 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 drip. Ooh, is it clearing up? No. That was wishful thinking there. Truthfully wishful thinking. So, yeah. Not really a lot to do. I can drive somewhere else, but it's going to be raining. Like my friends over in Ireland, with Superhero. It's been raining over there, so whatever they're getting is just coming straight across us. Or across me and where I am. Across these people in this part. So, yeah, I'm going to spend one more night here. Hopefully the weather will lift tomorrow and I can go and check out the ominous cave up there. But yeah, other than that, if it doesn't, I'm moving on regardless. I am. It's a trip around the UK, and it's time to move on. I spent a week by Castleton doing all the walks and everything else around here, apart from going over to Buxton, which is 20 minutes away, if that. So yeah, everybody cross your fingers, hope well, and the weather will clear up tomorrow and I can get up and see that cave. If not, it is what it is. So while I sit here contemplating rain, I say take it easy, keep adventuring, and love you, bye.